what is going on? Please subscribe. I've just passed 50. Now the next goal is 100. So I hope I get there. It looks like I'm going to get there pretty soon. So help me out, and that way I can keep making more of these videos and see where this whole thing goes. Hopefully I can end up with like a 3-second car in the 8th mile one day. But just want to go over how easy it is to go from pump gas to E85. And even though it sucks right now because it's raining every single day, and the day that it doesn't rain, I'm ended up stuck at work or doing something else. So did a little comparison. Hopefully you can tell in the video. I'm gonna put it all together and then put it out and then forget about it basically. But hopefully it works. And give me a thumbs up. Alright, I got a little bit drier out, so let's give it a shot. This is just 4th gear. I don't want to do nothing crazy. Alright, so you can see it kind of fluctuates a little bit. I've been on pump for a little bit. 14.5, 14.2, whatever. I mean, that's fine. That's pump gas. My fuel trims are fine, so nothing to worry about with that. Got my dog. Got Cliff. Oh, look at that. A little bit overexposure on the dog with the video. Okay. But Cliff, you done broke my camera, dog. What if I do this? Oh. Yeah, he looks like a red hot Cheeto right now. So same tunes in it. The flex tune. Gotta do nothing different. And 180. I'm good with that. I'm all the way good with that. Alright, well that was nice. The other pump was broken. So, whew, it smelled like they got that good in that car over there. Anyways, 180. I'm cool with that. So, I may drive a little bit up north out of the way because the roads are still wet and I'm not going to be retarded. I'm not going to do a stupid full comparison on wet roads, even though it's kind of dry in some spots and whatnot. But I mean, it's simple. I don't got to do nothing. All I got to do now is I'll let the car idle for a little bit and then show you the air fuel changes. And you can't do no smelling of it, but you'll be able to smell the E85. So there's that. Easy as that. No tune change. I just got to let the car idle for about 5 to 10 minutes or so. That's about it. That's what I'm saying. About 20 bucks get give me almost 3/4 of a tank. So let's see if we can do a live. Yeah, I'm on 25 pounds in the back because I got the NTL5 bars on, and they do actually pretty okay in the rain. So it's gonna bounce around a little bit. Turn that volume down. And we'll see where it's at in a few minutes. Oh, okay, 13 something, whatever. We'll see. And there we go. Oh, you know what? Let's get the zoom action. Boom, boom. There we go. Air fuel's starting to go down a little bit. I mean, fill it up. Threw some stuff I had around, some trash I had laying around in the car, you know, water bottles, etc. There you go. Look at you all fancy. Yeah, Cliff out here. So that's really it. Nothing too crazy. Obviously, don't Lund, as this is a Lund tune, and as Lund says, let it idle, let it do a thing. Once it evens out, go ahead and start driving. Don't put the damn E85 in and then go out and go floor it. You know, it's not really gonna act right. It's not a true dedicated E85 sensor. The way it operates is by the widebands, lambda values, etc. And we can go out, get on it a little bit, and see if we can feel the difference. It looks like it dried up a little bit more. It was more wet down here in the city streets. On the highway, it's a little dried up, so we'll give it a shot. fifth gear. So, nothing too crazy. Obviously, it's wet outside, so the racing aspect of it on my channel is illegal racing, not Y legal, it's illegal. It's kind of on a halt because of the record rainfall we have here in Georgia, so more stuff to come later on. Just wanted to make this little video because I felt like switching to E because hopefully the rain is going to start to die off in the next week or so, even though it's like a 50% chance for the next week. Ain't that right, Cliff? Jeez, you're overexposed like a mother. So I need to give him some dog food, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, one thing I will add is that there will be a potential drivetrain upgrade coming in the next few weeks or so for my car. So be on the lookout for that. Nothing in stone yet, but it is coming pretty soon. So peace.